Welcome to your home inspirations. Halloween outdoor decorations hold a special kind of magic. As the crisp autumn air rolls in and the days grow shorter, our surroundings transform, and the excitement of the season fills the air. Outdoor spaces, which for much of the year might be unadorned, become canvases for eerie creativity. There's something captivating about the way we turn front yards, porches, and gardens into scenes of haunted delight. One of the most timeless decorations is the carved pumpkin, grinning or grimacing as its candlelight flickers inside. Each jack-o'-lantern brings its own personality, whether it's a simple toothy grin or an elaborate design etched with precision. Rows of pumpkins, lit from within, line walkways, inviting guests to take part in the spooky fun. There's a deep-rooted tradition in carving pumpkins, a ritual that spans generations, each new face carved adding to the playful yet mysterious atmosphere of Halloween night. But the decorations have evolved far beyond the humble pumpkin. Walk further, and you might encounter a life-size skeleton, perhaps lounging casually on a porch swing or creeping out from behind a tree. These skeletal figures, sometimes posed in humorous positions, bring a blend of the macabre and the playful. Some homeowners take it a step further, incorporating animatronics, witches that cackle as you approach, or ghosts that rise suddenly, making even the bravest souls jump. Then there's the lighting. Soft, eerie, and carefully placed, lighting plays a crucial role in setting the tone for any Halloween display. String lights in hues of orange, purple, and green drape over doorways and trees, casting an otherworldly glow. Spotlights, often in deep red or cold blue, illuminate gravestones and haunted figures. Shadows cast by the lights create an unsettling sense of movement, as if something, or someone, might be lurking in the dark corners of the yard. No Halloween display is complete without the sound of the season. Some homeowners take the atmosphere even further by incorporating eerie music or sound effects. The distant sound of creaking doors, howling winds, or the occasional scream creates an immersive experience. Combined with the visual effects, it feels as though you've stepped into another world, where the boundary between the living and the dead is thinner than ever. And then there are the scarecrows. These figures, typically associated with the harvest, take on a more sinister role during Halloween. Standing tall in a yard or on a porch, they loom over passers-by, their stitched faces frozen in silent, eerie smiles. Dressed in tattered clothing, with straw poking out at odd angles, they seem ready to come to life at any moment, watching and waiting for their chance to scare. The beauty of Halloween outdoor decorations lies in their ability to transform everyday spaces into something magical. It's a celebration of creativity, of pushing boundaries, and of tapping into that part of us that loves to be a little scared, a little surprised. Each display, whether simple or elaborate, adds to the collective excitement of the season, reminding us that for one night the world is a little spookier and a lot more fun. Thank you for watching the entire video. Since you made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which ideas caught your eye, what you'd change, or even what you'd love to see in our next video. Your feedback helps us create content that you'll love.